Hey guys, Chris again, ClassicVWBugs.com, and in this video, giving you an update on products that I sell on my website. About a year or so ago, I introduced some new products on my website, and it's the 4-piece carpet set here. It's a nice, inexpensive kit for any bug, really, that this can go into. And then I started making some trunk liners from 1956 all the way up to 1969, or actually 1970. And what you have here now is what I offer with those kits is the color beige. And I used to just sell the salt and pepper, the gray, then gray beige, but now I found beige color that can work for your bug. So take a look here, guys. Pretty cool, very good ribbed fashion here. I like this. It's got a rubber backing to it so it doesn't slide on your floor, and if you just accidentally spill something on it, you'll be all right. But so here's the 68 to 70 trunk liner. I am working on Super Beetle, so stay tuned for that. And this is the beige. Again, I'll have links in the description below this video where you guys can purchase this. It goes right to my website. It's a PayPal Buy Now button. If you are ordering internationally, you can place the order, and then I'd have to get you a shipping quote. It is not free shipping internationally. On average, something to the UK is ranging around $65, $70. And then you got Australia. I've been sending those out there, and they've been around $80, $85, something like that. So if you're up into Canada, it might be a little less, but if you're all the way out to the West Coast, it can get up to around $65 as well. So just do hit me up for a quote. I can find out for you. But anybody in the continental United States, this is free shipping, and it's 2 to 3 day priority mail. So we usually cut them and mail them out on demand that day. And then they're out to you, and you usually get them within 2 to 3 days. So prices did go up just slightly, guys. You know, this inflation's been going on. Prices of materials have been going up. So got any questions, just pop them in the comment section below. Love to hear your thoughts, what you guys think. Beige, this is a nice color, guys. Take a look. Very cool. I love it. Again, if you're on a budget, this is perfect for you VW guys. The trunk liners, they fold up nicely and just go right into a box. You know, most of the trunk liners that are on the market today, they cost around $100 after shipping, depending where you are in the country. And they are the cardboard, and the cardboard likes to break when you start to bend it. So this is nice and flexible and can be easily molded into the front part of your trunk without really any hassle, without tearing it and whatnot. So please be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.